E aí, rapaziada, pera aí, mano, minha mãe tá me chamando pra comprar, pera aí. Então, rapaziada, eu vim aqui só pra falar mesmo que eu vou trazer o pack aqui, mano. É muito top esse pack, tem efeito sonoro de bala, recarregamento, granada. Então, é só isso, deixa o like, se inscreve aí no meu canal, doido! Que retardado.
Fica de 4, nós bota sem.
Trepa.
Rapaziada, se o link não tiver, caso que o link tá bugado, beleza?
Niggas will talk down just a little. Getting warmer when I cook up. Work the clock like a chef. Wasn't ready when I pushed up. Stood steady. 6'3" ain't. I'm pulling off strings, I ain't rushing and then sure ain't pick up my dribble. I'm pointing on top of my pass to my nigga. Shoot out a dribble. Ay, niggas will rush to the light in the dark of the night. Now you caught in the middle. Ay, I be a thief in the night. I just passed by that bitch. Now she playing the fiddle. I give the keys, the code of the safe. They never been safer. I know some niggas who owe it to faith, but really ain't never been faithful. I know some villains and fiends, and I got some foes, they keeping their space though. Who the fuck told us when boy could pop out of band, start making it waves though. Hey, love when they talk on my back. Imagine me giving them that. If I give them half of my plate, they be like, this is platter, but it's just a snack. Working out work. Business aside from the rap. Niggas make way to the game, get adjusted to fame just to fall off the map. Hey, niggas talk down just to look up. Getting warmer when I cook up. Doors for me, cook me, grill the nigga. Working cloud like a chef. Niggas talk down just to look up. Wasn't ready when I pushed up. Stood steady with my chest up.
Too cold, so I ride with a heater. She said that she was in love, I can't cuff it because she a born and get needed. No niggas who talk about guns say they bout it, but really them niggas get beat up. Dressing all black, I ain't fancy, don't care for occasion, pop out in the beater. While I'm in my two-seater, just made like 55K off my last song. They say that I'm popping, blew up in a month, I'm just hoping it lasts long. The numbers go up, yeah, I be watching, so I know I pass those. I know she pretty, but I cannot have it, cause my brother had those. And it's sad like Yachty one night, I'm then leave out the part where I ghost her. She said that she don't take pictures, I said it's alright, I don't care if you post them. My friends in my DM, they tryna get at me, but I try my best not to boast them. She said those parties be lit, I said baby I know cause her man all host her. I'm stuck in my host, I got my baby ride with a youngin' like babe put the Glock in a purse on me. They'll go from riding in Cadillac coupes to riding in them Cadillac hearses on me. Ain't no facade cause I love some my niggas, you know, but have love for the first timers. So like money changed all blue faces. My heart is too cold, so I ride with a heater. She said that she was in love, I can't cuff it because she a born and get needed. No niggas who talk about guns say they bout it, but really them niggas get beat up. Dressing all black, I ain't fancy, don't care for occasion, pop out in the beater. While I'm in my two-seater, just made like 55K off my last song. They say that I'm popping, blew up in a month, I'm just hoping it lasts long. The numbers go up every day, I be watching, so I know I pass those. I know she pretty, but I cannot have her, cause my brother had those. That's a sad fact, yeah.
Cheese, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't hear that racket. Guys came in, you know how to stack it. Take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Carol's here, man, you know you stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big trick, shoot curry like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, do you ass up? No, real, how to put it E-class up. They like, X nigga, how you take the fast rap. 2018, it was me and Big Corey. Flowing through the city, Teddy Coop, true story. Niggas rats, they be singing like Tory. They was real, but the niggas not for me. Wanna see me shine, tryna steal my glory. Nigga going crazy, it's hard to ignore me. Bitch bad, but she starting to bore me. Got 100 more, they waiting for me. Acne denim with the barrier sweater. Off-white kicks, I don't match it, I'm clever. Fuck a price, I get it, whatever. Say you had twins, niggas send them whichever. Catch a vibe, I'm wavy as ever. Spend a bag, no saving my cheddar. Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Give a fuck by the nigga I never had. Said I give a fuck by the nigga I never. Saucy nigga, mix the Rex and Margiela. Spend a bag, no saving no cheddar. Big G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't in that racket. Dogs came, man, you know how to stack it. Don't take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Cows here, man, you know you stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried. Bent up, so I'm talking real slurry. Got a blast, bro, I'm always in a hurry. Big Drake, shooting 30 like Curry. Take a yerky, ain't know he stay passed up. You don't catch him late night, do you ass out? No, punk real, how to put an E-class up. They like, ask nigga, how you take the fast ride? Summer's coming, know the block is hot. Give a fuck if it's dark or not. They shooting niggas, old parking spots. Ain't pressed about it, we'll connect the dots. To the break it down, we don't talk to cops. Give a fuck about if he was wrong or not. These niggas fake, these niggas talk a lot. So I gotta stay low, gotta get the guap. They pop shit, these niggas corny, they kettle. Break them down, no, you know I can't settle. Family matters, wavy heavy like metal. All guys got my foot on the pedal. Number 9 G's, bread force, cause they stack nice. iPhone crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed and the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on act like. iPhone crack through the front, see the back light. Might get it fixed and the bitch just act right. Big bro in the cut, sippin' on act right. G's, no design on my jacket. Work hard, now I'm changing my bracket. Talk tough, we ain't in that racket. Dogs came, man, you know how to stack it. Don't take it wrong, but I'ma need my ends though. I got tigers on my chest like Kenzo. Rail came, yeah, he putting that Benz though. Cows here, man, you know you stay 10 toes. Big dog, man, you know I ain't worried.